In primetime news this evening, production wipeout. Central Bank warns of critical economic fallout due to COVID-19. Feeding the quarantined. Agricultural Society questions use of imports over local foods. And exams postponed. CXC proposes new date for regional examinations.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, job cuts. Many Jamaicans being sent home as COVID-19 hits the economy hard. Vashon Brown will tell us more in the business day.
And in sports, referees feeling the pinch from COVID-19. Karen Madden will tell us more later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you understand physical distancing to mean, and have you been practicing it?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.